Welcome to Dream Event Makeover. Today we're traveling to Marina Bay Sands, Singapore to check out the Pharma MES Asia 2021. This is the leading Pharma MES event series that brings together 200 plus thought leaders and decision makers in the industry. We're going to give their 2-day event a dream makeover in Hopin, the virtual venue that we've selected for this transformation. Let's get started.
This is the reception area where you can access everything that's happening live. We've included a customized welcome message with video. Sponsors are featured here, which you can tier into 3 groups. For multi-day events, each day's schedule can be accessed and added to your calendar here.
The Pharma MES Asia Conference has 6 high-profile business partners. Hopin allows the creation of sponsorship according to their contribution through categorized tiers, and this is easy to add.
Now let me take you to the main stage. This is for your flagship presentations where you need to reach the entire audience from one place. Up to 100,000 people with up to 5 speakers. For large-scale events, you can run up to 10 stages simultaneously.
The Pharma MES Asia Conference is a hybrid event, so the main speakers would likely be giving their talks on stage. This is easy to do in Hopin as it supports RTMP feeds into its virtual stages. Hopin's live streaming studio also supports overlays, backgrounds, banners, and scrolling tickets, which will be handy for remote speakers too.
Let's sneak a peek backstage. This is where up to 5 speakers will wait to go live on the stage and can video chat with each other while they're waiting. The backstage is open before the event is live, so speakers can rehearse at any time.
The Pharma MES Asia Conference has panel sessions, so the ability for speakers to prepare backstage is essential.
For more intimate interactions, we have the sessions area. This is for your breakout rooms, roundtables, or workshops, allowing up to 3,000 attendees and up to 20 speakers in each session. There is no limit to the number of simultaneous sessions, and you can set up custom filters to organize your sessions. Let's jump into a session and see what it looks like. In this session, the attendees can ask a moderator to join the conversation with video on.
For the Pharma MES Asia Conference, sessions such as inventions, research, investments, market updates, and what's in store for the future can be conducted here. You can create recurring sessions for the whole 2 days of the event or create different sessions each day.
Let's move on to the expo area, which hosts interactive virtual booths. You can have a different size booth based on sponsorship tiers. In booths, sponsors can have live representatives interacting with visitors via video. Or like this booth, sponsors can opt for pre-recorded video and content. As booths are open during the whole event, they can also be used to deliver always-on content like games and entertainment.
Sponsors and partners at the Pharma MES Asia Conference benefit from hosting the digital equivalent of an expo booth with face-to-face video chat, text chat, online brochures, pre-recorded video, education, research, and so on. While participants get the chance to enjoy exclusive promos, prizes, and a chance to talk with company representatives.
Now let's see where people meet. Here's the networking area, where once you click join, you instantly get matched with other attendees in a time-limited video call. And it looks just like a FaceTime call. If you want to continue the conversation, you can extend the time or exchange contact details with one click. You can also network in all other areas, such as the reception and the expo. You simply click on an attendee and invite them on a video call, or send them a chat message.
Attendees at the Pharma MES Asia conference can meet fellow doctors, innovators, and experts to make new personal and business contacts in the industry.
That concludes the tour for today. To view the full-size images of this makeover, visit the @hoosh.events Instagram channel. If you know an event which would be a good candidate for the show, let us know in the comments.